It's summer and sun is out ready to boost your immune and brighten your day. Get up, grab the family and go play. Picnic near the lake. Barbecue at the river, splash and have fun. But are there hidden dangers? Yes, they are bees. Bee venom has been studied to relieve symptoms of MS and even Parkinson's, but I just say that stings. When a bee stings you, your body has a reaction. It affects your immune system, causing swelling. What can you do? Well, this is a very old folk remedy you may have need for on your journey to create and cherish those new great memories you're about to create. Bee venom is acid, so how can you neutralize it? Baking soda. Yes, baking soda has a natural alkalinity that will reduce the acid in the sting and will help draw it out when made into a paste and applies right after the dreadful sting. Now, some elders say to add meat tenderizer to keep the sting hole open, while the baking soda does its job. Even more hardcore rednecks just say make some mud and rub on it and call it good. Whatever you choose to do, it's also good to apply ice after baking soda to stop the swelling from closing off the sting hole as well. Fun fact that once a bee stings you, it releases a pheromone that alerts and attracts other bees nearby, so I would say run. Remember, if they are near, just leave them alone, and you should be fine. But it is hard to do when squaring off with a bee.